Hello students, this is Teacher Henry. This video will show you an example paragraph to compare two types of fruit and explain which is better for me. First, you can see my title, which is better, an apple or an orange. After my title, I have my topic sentence and main idea. I love apples more than oranges because they are better for my health. After my topic sentence, I have my first supporting sentence and detail. First, an apple is better for me because I don't like sour fruit, such as an orange. I like to drink sweet apple fruit juice, and I can also use the apple to make fresh juice, which is sweeter than fresh orange juice. My second example is, second, apple juice does not upset my stomach like orange juice does. So I can drink a lot of apple juice, such as in the morning, without worrying about having a stomachache later on during the day. My last supporting sentence is, last, red apples taste better with the skin on, but I can't eat the skin of an orange, as it is very sour and cannot be digested. Now my conclusion. In conclusion, I prefer eating an apple more than an orange. I hope this video helps you with your paragraph writing assignment. Thank you for watching this video.